I'm going to show you how to use the expandable table for using the kitchen, more cutting room, more prep work. So simply here you can see I have the extended table. It is in the down position, which is needed to get in and out. But when you are cooking and you're in the camper and need more room, all you simply do is lift up, it locks in place, and now you have another surface that you can use in your kitchen prep. To retract this, you simply grab on the bottom here and you push forward at the hinge point, and what happens is that this will now collapse down. So it simply comes up, you lift up, push forward, and it collapses down. And that is how you get the expandable table for the kitchen.